love to learn more about, I guess, because a lot of my audience, they're probably like maybe unfamiliar with this term, like what it actually involves. So did you want to sort of break down, Daryl, just explain like what is the purpose of a hyperbaric oxygen therapy? How does it actually work?
So there's two types of hyperbaric oxygen therapy. There's a medical grade chamber, and then there's what's called mild hyperbaric chamber. So looking at a medical grade chamber, it's in a hospital environment. You're breathing 100% oxygen. To breathe 100% oxygen, you need to be prescribed that by a doctor. So it needs doctor supervision. It's quite a technical piece of equipment because it's all manually operated. So you've got a technician operating the chamber, you've got a doctor present. Hospitals usually have what they call multi-place chambers. So they're chambers where multiple people can fit in. So then you have a nurse in there, a chamber attendant supervising. So it's quite a complex treatment protocol. And you can understand why it's so expensive. Those multi-place chambers are close to $1 million a unit. And then there's mild hyperbaric oxygen therapy. So that is usually monoplace chambers, which mean one person chamber. You can get multi-place chambers, but they're mostly monoplace chambers. And instead of breathing 100% oxygen, you're breathing between 90 to 97% oxygen. And that oxygen is generated through an oxygen concentrator, opposed to a medical grade chamber where you're breathing 100% oxygen through bottled gas. And when you're breathing 100% oxygen, there's risks factors associated with that. You can get oxygen toxicity, so you need to have oxygen breaks within that type of protocol, opposed to a mild chamber where you don't have a risk of oxygen toxicity because you're not breathing 100% oxygen, you've still some nitrogen in the mix. And then it becomes more accessible to the average person, so you don't